This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
It finally departed Belfast on Monday, though it remains anchored nearby due to missing paperwork. We're talking about the Villa V Odyssey, that world cruise that was supposed to leave 4 months ago. Now, passengers were told the ship awaits clearance over a minor deflection deviation in the hull, a technical issue that's existed since the ship's construction 30 years ago. Villa V CEO Mike Pedersen told CNN that the ship might briefly have to return to the yard before continuing. The Odyssey is scheduled to begin its world cruise, with its first stop being at Brest, France, sometime this week, with plans to visit 400 ports worldwide. And Norwegian Cruise Line has launched a new perks program called More at Sea, replacing its popular Free at Sea package. Now, the updated program, which was launched yesterday and starts on January 1st, expands on the previous perks, including a more inclusive beverage package and enhanced specialty dining options. Guests will now enjoy premium drink brands and meals with more courses available and all-inclusive gratuities. Starlink Wi-Fi will also be available for all guests, though it will still be limited by minutes.
You got mail.
However, these perks do come with higher fees. Gratuity charges for drinks and dining have risen significantly. We broke it all down on our website, cruiseradio.net, if you'd like to check that out. And a storm moving through southeast Alaska brought 20-foot seas and high winds to the region's outer and inner channels. Now, due to the weather, Holland America kept 2 of its ships overnight in Juneau, the Euro Dam and Koningsdam. High wind warnings were in effect, with winds up to 70 miles per hour. The storm is expected to ease today. And Carnival reached a milestone in New Orleans, becoming the first cruise line to embark over 7 million passengers from the port. The milestone was marked with a family from Georgia boarding the Valor on Monday, becoming the lucky 7 millionth. Carnival President Christine Duffy highlighted the milestone, noting Carnival's 30-year partnership with the Port of New Orleans. Carnival sails 400,000 guests annually from the port. And we received a comment from Arthur saying he loves the news but doesn't like the stock report. Life is full of disappointments, buddy. Cruise line stocks were down on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 2.5%, 18.02. Royal Caribbean down 2.3, 173.23. Norwegian down 3, 19.91. And Viking down 1.1%, 34.50. Lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.